The psalmist prophecies about the Messiah. This is found in Psalms chapter 41, right? And Psalms 10, verse 1 to 2. He would be betrayed by a close friend. Messiah would use God's authority and strength to rule the Israelites. He would be a victorious king who would conquer and liberate the Israelites from their enemies. He would be exalted and sit on the right hand side of God. The Messiah will rule in the midst of his enemies. He will be sent from Mount Zion. Oh, Jesus fulfilled the psalmist's prophecies about the Messiah. The psalmist prophesied that the Messiah would be betrayed by a close friend. Jesus indeed betrayed by Judas Iscariot, one of his disciples. The psalmist prophesied that the Messiah would use God's authority and strength to rule, that is, to rule his people. In his ministry, Jesus used God's power and authority. The psalmist prophesied that the Messiah would be a victorious king who would conquer and liberate the Israelites from their conquered the power of the devil and liberates people from sin.